Hi, here's Julia, and I'm here at this fabulous new construction subdivision at the Enclave in Cordelia, right in the heart of Fairfield, California, bordering Sassoon City and Vacaville, California. And it's about 30 miles away from San Francisco and 60 miles away from Sacramento and less than 20 miles from Napa wine country. Right now we're at this specific model that's called the ADLEY. This development has four main models, and the ADLEY one considered the most basic one. So it's also the more affordable one, and the price point starting at $791,315. So it's only starting at this point. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and the square footage is 1861. This beautiful gourmet kitchen has an island where you can dine in, and you have like a bar on the other side, and you have all this area with an open space opening up towards the living room. So this model, it's called the BARTON, and it has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. And it's 2 stories, you can see. So the 2 baths are upstairs and the half bath is downstairs. What makes it really special is unique. You have this whole area, it's like the 2nd floor, where you have the loft, you can lounge here, hang out, do your office job. You have the bedrooms, all the 4 bedrooms up here. This gorgeous master with great views, very calm and relaxing. So this one is the most luxurious from the entire series, and it's called the Drake, and it's a 2-story. 3415 is the square footage. It boasts 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and the starting price is at $969,000. Also, what separates it from the other 3, that it's got the deeper, darker colorings. You can definitely see more like a darker browns, eggplant, and more like a beige colors. So you can definitely see it's more like luxurious, more lucrative looking building. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you know anybody that is looking into new construction home, a home that has never been owned before, reach out to me and I can give you a tour into the old new communities. Here's Julia again, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.